Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Being Up to Date. So as I promised you yesterday, today I am going to start lecturate on important international relations of India. So today we will talk about Indo-Pak relations. So let's start. So talking about Indo-Pak relations, Pakistan became our new neighbor since British Raj it from India. Actually, it has all happened because of Mountbatten Plan, according to which India was divided into two dominants, where Pakistan is being made especially for Muslims and emerged as Islamic country, and India for all who feels proud to be Indian. This relation is very important for both the countries as it creates the atmosphere of healthy competition since our independence. Perhaps we also faced many brutal moments, whether we talk about wars of 1948, 65, 71 and 1999, and several disputes between both the countries. And still we got heat up when we talk about Kashmir, despite many earlier ties. But today, the citizens of respective countries wants peace and good relations as well. But although our relations got fragile, when we got terrorist attack back to back, such as 26/11, Uri, Pulwama, and many more. And also, when Pakistan intervened in our decision about our territory, also when collaborates with China in trying to entangle India globally by CPEC and raise a voice against India in international organizations to defame India, and also when trying to spread disturbance in Kashmir with the help of youths there.
But still, what I think that it will not be the wise move of India if India breaks totally all of her relations with Pakistan. Then it will go totally in the favor of China because it is well known that enemy's enemy are friend since the Cold War. And obviously we can't change the history, but yes, we can create the history in the way to reveal sweetness in our relations. Provided that Pakistan should stop supporting terrorism and must have will to give their citizens all they need, then India will definitely come forward to give her hand in the way to make our relations strong.
By solving all of our disputes with proper agreements and by taking initiative of visits and investment in each other. As we all know that India and Pakistan both are developing countries. If we stand together, then no one can beat us in development and defense sector as well. In fact, both the countries has immense capacity to emerge as a superpower as the largest economy in the world as we were in the past. And amaze the world by delaying the US intelligence report of war between India and Pakistan in upcoming years with our brotherhood. So that's all for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.